Good morning. Good morning, fam. How we doing? Morning, Benji, hero of the day. Lydia, Parker, Dama, Orchid. We got Louis G early. W. Nah, I didn't sell oil, hero. I bought NQ, but NQ blasted through my stop loss. Just a small loss though. Let's see. We got FOMC out of the way. So maybe Goldie will start moving clean from today on again. Good morning, YOLO. W in the chat, man. Let's go. Yeah, I think the boys will be here a little bit late. George, I think he can't make it today, but he's gonna be back tomorrow. So yeah, I'll just get straight into the breakdown on Goldie, and then let's see if we can catch something. How was Asia last night? Did you guys get anything? I just placed this one buy limit on NQ, but it didn't work out. Yo, Luz.
Good morning. Morning, everyone. Yeah, I saw your I saw NQ dropping, and it was dropping heavy.
Yeah. It looked good because the 30, everything closed like no bottom wick and then opened up no top wick. And I was like, either this gonna just activate me and fly, or it's gonna go straight to stop loss, and it just smashed the stop loss and I went to bed.
Yeah, that was the only thing I was afraid of when we were talking about it, because I knew if it dropped, it was gonna drop heavy, and it may not wait for any resistance, and I was like, oh man.
Yeah, man, it was worth a try because we had such a good bullish momentum last night. So I thought maybe it would just, you know, bounce off and continue.
Yeah, it was worth a shot.
Yeah, just two M&Q. All right, Goldie, let's see. Daily, highly bullish today after these two previous dailies pushing down pretty heavy. We tapped into supports down here on the daily time frame, rejected from them, broke the previous daily highs. Now we don't really have a bottom wick, but that's probably because of the news we had by the end of last day, and then by the market open, yeah, we just corrected this move, so we might not even need the bottom wick on the daily, which is down here. Let's mark it up. But we also don't have a bottom wick on that candle. So yeah, a little bit chopped on the fall because this current candle also doesn't really have a bottom wick, and we already broke the previous day 4 highs. So looks like we might want to come back down and create a steeper bottom wick for this 4 hour. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. So yeah, we got some fresh resistance being printed right here. On the left, there's some small support right there, which we didn't close below. Interesting. So we got like a small little 1 hour range going on right there. We got 1 hour supports down here, and the next resistance would be up there. So let's keep this marked. I mean, daily lows. All right. So 30 minutes. Let's check this range on the left. We got this support right there. Got a new resistance up here. Yeah, we still didn't close below. So for sells, I wouldn't take them. But, one, because we are highly bullish. Second, we don't have the range 2. And this didn't even close below the most recent support we have on the left. Let's check out the 15 minute. 15 minute looks pretty much the same as the 30. Have the same ranges going on. Yeah, I like those ranges. All right, let's head one more time back to the 4 hour and check what was going on there, because the 4 hour is like the highest time frame we base off our direction, and we should always look at the 4 hour what it's doing, because it has like the most power over all the time frames, right? So even if like the 15 looks like we want to go up and the 4 hour looks like this, I might be a little bit cautious, you know, because we might want to come back down, grab this low, and then move up. So
Yo, Jonas, real quick.
Yep.
Hey, the stream on YouTube, they can't see the charts.
Oh my god, YouTube, I'm sorry. OBS, please. Alright, there we go. Let me go again from the 4 hour. Alright. So what I was talking about, oh no, let me go to the daily again. So we pushed down into these supports down here, came back up, broke the previous daily highs, but we don't really have a steep bottom wick on the daily. So got this marked up right there. These are the daily supports that we tapped in. And yeah, on the 4 hour, let's see. We broke out of this chop. We broke these previous highs, but we don't really have a bottom wick on that 4 hour. So we might want to come down, grab these lows, and then go up. For sells, we are too bullish right now to take them off the 30 minute, because we didn't close below these supports on the left. And yeah, we need a range 2 after being highly bullish, you know, going against the trend. We definitely want to wait on a range 2 for sells. This range is pretty small, so we don't really want to trade it. Oh, it's actually not that small. We got massive ranges, but yeah, we got cleaner and bigger ranges down here and up there. So more interested in those than these, because we got some chop on the left too. And yeah, that's pretty much all. We just want to see the 4 hour maybe come down, tap into these supports, get a fresh support, and then we try to continue this trend up. And if you get signs for sells, like a range 2 below here, I'm interested to take some sells in this range. All right. I hope now everybody could see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
Alright, perfect. Yeah, FOMC, man. That was some crazy volume at market open.
Yeah, yeah. I think it just needed some time to settle down and then choose a direction and then see what's next. Dang. Yeah, the whole. I mean, even for NQ, it pushed up after FOMC, and then the entire move got corrected, and then now it's pushing back up. Good morning. Did you end up closing those gold buys? I think you should have. I think it came down after we left.
See, those were my buys last night. For anybody wondering why my P&L is red. Tried to sneak myself in on Nasdaq here last night, but dang, it came down heavy. We came all the way down into these supports, and now we're trying to come back up and break all-time highs, which are right here now. Those are the new all-time highs. It was worth a shot in my opinion, because we had such a nice bullish trend up, little retracement into these last supports we had after all-time highs, and then maybe continuation, but not last night.
Yo, what up, what up, what up?
Yo, yo, yo.
Hello, guys. Hello, everybody.
Maybe.
What up, baby?
Okay, who has been... Lewis, what up? Who has been printing on NQ?
Red?
Nah, bro. I woke up... so I took... Remember, Lewis, when I showed up in Asia on NQ?
Yeah.
When it was pushing up? I took the last 1 minute TGL, yeah? So I had $1,000 stops on that. So woke up with two accounts red, thousand. But I was like, okay, what happened after that was when it came back down here and this gap, the open, got filled and then it started going up. And then there was a change of character on the 5 minute. Once that happened, when this closure happened, I started spamming TJLs then. So this TJL I spammed here, this one. So that got me out of that. I again like closed at thousand profits on both of those accounts, and then I tried taking a trade here right now. So I wanted to take it like this, but then again, when this retracement started happening, because I had my risk free somewhere here, like somewhere here. So yeah, when this went up and this started coming back down again, I was like, you know what? I've gotten this account back from 1,000 drawdown to BE. Let me just secure something. So it didn't follow the plan completely. Would have played out very nicely. But again, the accounts are doing good. Um, so again, till the time a setup is there, you take a loss on that, it's all good till the time you just show up and take the next setups. Okay, I was aggressive about it because again, this strategy flows nicely with me. And also the fact that on another account I had secured a payout. For example, on this one, I took a small little scalp on this move up. So I secured a payout because I didn't trade this one. So I was like, okay, it's all right. The risk is all right. The markets are moving. The next thing I have to do is just take a setup, and then ended up doing that. So yeah, two accounts secured with payouts. We are gonna request them tonight. And then
Let's
there's
go.
another one. So again, the risk and everything remains the same till the time you are trading and trading on your setups. It doesn't matter if you consider it over trading because till the time you see and logic is there with your trades and ideas, just spam it. Why not?
Yeah, we got Billy. B21.
B21.
Good morning, Knowles. Good morning, Yoni.
What up, Billy? How you doing?
Back to the grind. Back to the grind.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. See, TGL ones are getting respected nicely. So if this one can go a bit more up, at least till here, then we can attempt a TGL by TGL one. Which is right now here. I need a new mouse.
Which mouse are you using?
So, bro, this is the mouse that I bought in 2021.
Oh, dang.
Glorious. I don't know if you've heard about them.
No. I always buy the same mouse again when it's broken.
Yeah, and then in between I had this MX Master 3G, something like that. That crazy one, bro. That was really good, really good. But it broke down, and I didn't really wanna buy another one. And I had this really crazy mouse that was just chilling there. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. But I think its life cycle is done.
You know, I like to use the Razer Naga.
Mm,
It has 12 buttons on the left. I have like 12 keys on the mouse. Can bind anything on it. Can just, type on my mouse basically.
all right. Let me wait on that buy limit because if the 15 ends up closing above, then what can we do? Let's just see what has been happening on the
Yeah,
15.
we got GDP. Oh no, that's Canada. Yeah, we do have GDP's core PCE price index, unemployment claims coming up here.
hmm Yeah, in 7 minutes.
Yeah, so it should be some kind of mixed data, I would think.
Okay, if the news is there, do we have any early levels that haven't been tapped yet? Okay, so early TGL2 is playing out. Next destination is this. Clean traffic. Yeah, it should. I think today we can catch some really nice trades. Really nice trades. Today NQ is flowing nicely.
Maybe I could see the forward on gold, grab the lows and then go up. Maybe that will play into some level.
Yeah, I still have this buy sitting here, bro. We got activated. All right, let's do a breakdown on gold
Gold about
quickly from the 1 hour.
W Orchid. Making some money at night.
Okay. Change. Guys, please mark out this level. Whenever this taps, whenever, just take a buy.
Sorry.
Less you lose.
Thank you.
Just go 2 MGC on this and then just let it rock. Let it rock till here. Great. Yeah, if anybody wants to take that on their live account, really nice, really nice. Really nice trade.
You think it might bounce off these 1 hour wicks there? That are sticking out of that range?
This?
Nah, right to the latest push. Those wicks on the left. Down.
This one?
No, down at the green box.
This?
Yeah. You think it could reject from that?
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
let's just see. Change of character, 1 hour. What does that mean? Reference point, TJLs.
Yeah, and what I mean is you want to move your entry up to those wicks or you leave it at the box?
Yeah, let's just figure that out.
Okay.
All right, so what do we have? 1 hour change character. So from here we can do bullish structure marking on the 1 hour and we get these 2 TJLs. TJL1 and TJL2. Our buy entry is right in between, making use of this 1 hour change of character A plus. So again, stops here should be good below this. So this would be a very, very safe entry. Very safe. There could be a case where it rejects. So that is also a valid trade, but we can figure that out on the lower time frame. So this is how it looks. Then on the 15. Yeah, this is the 15. Now 15 TGL. 2, you can take it here. Or we can look at other things as well. So what do we have? Do we have anything? 15 closure here. Yeah, this also aligns with the 15 change of character RBS. Yeah, this is also a really nice level. Really, really nice level. So you know what? If it actually is a really nice level, let's find it out. W. All right. We can aim for. Yeah, 600 pips. Holy. Yeah, we can definitely aim for that if it comes down there. 1 hour, 15 minute, 5. Yeah, clean. And let me do one more thing. Okay, what are the stops looking like? Is this account gone or what?
Stops are huge. The ranges are
Yo.
massive.
Mhm.
Okay, I can't do 10 MGC. I can only do. If it is actually 600 pips, yeah, let's just go with two. 1 MGC here and 1 MGC here. Because if this idea plays out, on 2 MGC, we'll be making 1200. Crazy. Yeah. W, that's my goalie trade. And I say my trade because sizing, holding, and all of those things. Yeah. Um, those things I would look for. And again, talking about all right, if it comes down and drawdown, and if you guys are in here with a very small position or position that you can afford, then you can also aim for pineapples here. You know what I'm saying when I talk about pineapples, guys, yeah? So it comes here, 1 minute green, you take a pineapple, and then you close out till at the TP. Because that is the A plus now. Holy. 10 pips. Benji.
Benji.
Who do you think we are, brother? Alright, guys. 15. TGL2. I'm gonna give that a shot.
Good morning, Spine. Thanks for the message. Hope you're having a great session too.
Benji, you're funny.
Clean, clean, clean.
When MAM?
When MAM? I mean, we need some more people. Yeah, we need some more people. Then MAM. We can hear you but not see you. All right.
No, that was earlier.
Yeah, that was in the beginning.
Ah, okay, okay. Today I'm just chilling. I'll turn on the camera for a bit because I thought that is what Knowles wants.
Did your team win last night?
Nah, bro, I see my team is better than everybody else. So we don't play in the we don't need to play in Champions League, bro, just to prove that yeah, we are the best. Yeah, so for this season we have just taken a break. Yeah. Yesterday I was trying to hate watch Arsenal and Atletico. So yeah, um yeah, Arsenal played nice, bro. Honestly. And kind of expected a very boring game, but the game was nice. I kind of liked it.
And did you see the...
But again, yeah, oh, my team didn't lose last night. B21, YOLO! What up, bro? ठीक है भाई. All good. How are you doing? B21, what up, bro? Spine, what's up? Yoni, how you guys doing? Mr. Students and sister students, where are the markups? Where are the markups today? Is nobody trading today or what? Or is everybody on a holiday and nobody wants to trade, just wants to watch the stream and then just take a signal today or what?
Benji's in his AB.
Benji, very nice, Benji. Very, very nice. Waiting for TGL2s. Very good. Very nice. Lydia, why are you laughing?
I think
You
because
sound
you...
like crazy drunk Russian Indian. Yeah, I mean, yo, that was funny. Lol, I joined just in time here to join the party.
I'm just here to hate watch.
Well,
I'm just here to hate watch AB's trades.
brother, comrade, that is something that you don't do. But okay. Hate watch, yeah, that's good. All right, I'm losing that accent, so I think it's time to switch up the topics. What's up, guys? How's everybody? Um, how has trading been? Anybody taking advantage of the clean moves on NQ? Or is it the first time that you are seeing that?
Advantage, yeah. And you
But
took advantage of me, man.
yo, I mean, sometimes you gotta, do a little some. I'm wishing you a great advice. Dags. Do you like dags? Hero of the day, how's the weather there, brother? When you sent those photos the other day, it felt like, the movie Gladiator when he goes back to visit his home and the gardens are just flowing. There is nice wind, greenery everywhere. It kind of looked like that, your photos. Great weather, still just blue sky. Yeah, next time I will walk up to the fortress. Make some gladiators. Oh, let's go. Are you not entertained? Claudius Maximus Aurelius, DJ Elias, Wave 4 of the Elliot. Like some idiot against the creator. Oh, I mean, hero of the day. I know so many idiotic Insta creators, if you know what I'm saying. Don't we all know? Alright, I need some background music. Okay, what kind of songs do I go for? Alright, guys, whoever wants to listen to few Hindi songs, you can turn my stream on. The sound. Guys, this trade better be a zero pipper because we won't really get a chance to manage this. There is technically nothing. So, let me look at it. How can we do that? Yeah, this is a 15 TJ2. Everything looks good. Hasn't tapped anything on the 5. Yeah, should be good. Let's see how it reacts from the region one. That will tell us a lot of things. Looking for ways to manage it. Most logical is this 131. Whatever this is on NQ 131. This thing. So risk free is gonna be 131. So somewhere around here. So somewhere around there is going to be the risk free. These are going to be stops. So technically the trade should be like this. Goes 50 here. So now the thing is on that trade, the initial risk-free zone is here. Yeah, that level is here. So now that changes according to how it enters and reacts here. So that's why even like on this strategy, even if we think that okay, the stops are like 131 pips, but again, it just turns out usually it just turns out like a 40 pip stop and then 200 pip runner or 200 pip TP. So since you guys are new to this, it will take a bit of time to fully understand or fully get comfortable with this kind of stop loss and this kind of trades. But the more repetitions you guys will have, doesn't matter wins or losses, the more repetitions you'll have, the easier it will start getting. Yeah, it'll start getting easier. So, yeah. I'm constantly about the German trader saying this is why I'm the place where crazy. Lewis, you like that buy on NQ from your ways of seeing and looking at the market? Or nah?
Let me see. Actually, yeah, that's a pretty nice buy. That's where 27,442. Yeah, because you may see it come down a little bit lower, just to give that hour a bottom wick for NY. I mean, it has a little one, but it may want to create a steeper one. And then go back up.
Because logically, yeah, Lewis, I like that. Because if you just look at it, this is the range, right, that we are in right now. This is the range. Yeah, this big green box. So right now, like just from common sense, price is in the upper half. So we are trying to buy at the upper half. So of course, like we would want it to come back down, and then move
Right.
nicely. The only thing could be when it comes to that hourly thing, right? If it had tapped this resistance, then yeah, I would expect it to come down again and then maybe make a move up from somewhere here or here. But yeah, let's see. Let's see at the early when it closes, what happens. It could also be a case where we get activated, the next early pumps up, and then 9:30 we come down from this bottom wick and then move up. So yeah, for bro, today as well, when I was trying to take this trade, when I was trying to take trades here, so I was in that buy and I saw, okay, the 4 hour has no bottom wick, and then it started going in profit, so I was like, okay, let me just close it. So I don't know if that turned out to be in my favor or not, because after that the price just moved up as I had imagined. So if I had just overlooked that 4 hour concept, maybe it would have played out. But yeah, these are the things like I still am gaining more experience on when it comes to how when are the cases when you can ignore a bottom wick or a top wick. So yeah, maybe this is gonna be that case where you ignore it. Let's go.
And, and we're, oh yeah, because the VWAP right now is sitting at, I mean, we're trading above it, but the VWAP right now is sitting at 416. So it makes sense for it to come give that bottom wick and then reject from there. So that's not a bad idea at all.
Yeah, I think the safest way and the most stress-free way of taking this trade would be after a confirmation.
Yeah, and that's how I was all day yesterday. Me, for my situation, my payout, I'm just waiting on confirmations rather than, executing on limit orders.
Yeah.
So it may not be the worst move.
Nah, makes sense, makes sense. And what's up with goalie?
Goalie. Goalie is ranging right now. feel like the 4 hour could flip, give this a bottom wick, and then see it move bullish again.
Up and away.
Yeah. NQ
All
coming.
right. Might be, yeah. Might be coming in hot. Germany has become cold all of a sudden. It's good that we have sun right now. Otherwise, we would be back to the winters.
How cold is it right now?
Mm, 17, but it doesn't feel like 17, bro. Yeah, it feels like 13 right now.
Dang. I don't know why I picture Germany being like one of the coldest countries in Europe.
I don't know.
Nah,
I
it's not.
never pictured Germany like that. One of the coldest.
It's definitely not
I
one
feel
of
it's
the
all right.
coldest.
Yeah.
It's not.
Nah. But it is not like, you know, you're in Brazil or something. Or Italy, for example. I would say it's way warmer, but yeah, I mean, if you go to Europe, you have Sweden and everything in the north. That's just very cold.
Oh yeah. You're right.
Yeah, hero of the day. Nah, I mean, it depends like where you are coming from India, because I'm from the north. I've lived in Kashmir as well. So that's like full snow area. So that's why I really enjoy the winter weather here in Germany. I never find it strange. Yeah, it's crazy like that. And Germany, bro, in Sep August and September, crazy. So good, so good.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful.
Sweden has also really nice weather. But I mean, if you're really far up in the north, it's gonna be different, right?
Mm.
I mean, Norway is the best example. It just goes like you know, the further you
Yeah,
go
I
north,
know.
the colder it gets.
True. The colder it gets. Alright, TJL1, bye bye. Bye bye. Why are we not spamming TJL1s? It's just that has been playing out. No worries. The only thing I'm scared about NQ is that random spike down whenever that happens. I just hate that.
Good morning, Azwan. How you doing?
Aswan Ajib. Aswan Ajib. Hello, brothers. What up? We got 19 in Sweden. Yeah. I like a dry heat more than. Oh, yeah, seriously. The humid heat, I just hate that. I just don't like it. Me too, very random. Yeah, spikes recently. In fact, what I still know from school, Sweden has almost 100k of lakes. Wow, crazy. Hey, Anush, are these the Aaron buys?
Could be.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Where's the VWAP?
Pull up the VWAP.
Let's see.
Yeah, Aaron should be on his way to California right now.
Yes, sir.
The Kaliman.
The
It was funny
Kaliman.
because you came through Asian and then you got off, and as soon as you got off, your nose popped up.
What? Seriously? Crazy,
Yeah.
bro. Crazy. Yeah, I just like opened my eyes and I was like, yo, what's up? It must be time for Asian. And I was like, yo, Aaron is there. So I was like, what's up?
Did you send Sujay back to the straight?
No, he's you guys wanna all right, guys. Okay, it's time for the Sujay cam. All right, let's go.
Sujay.
It's time for the AB cam, and yeah, all right.
The 9 to
So
5
of course,
Sujay.
naturally, yeah, my stream
Wow,
is gonna
wow, Sujay,
go.
please. He's on YouTube. He ain't working. He knows you're coming. He knows you're coming, AB.
He sees you coming now.
Can see me? Nah, but YouTube is delayed, so he won't know.
Sujay, surprise him.
We got caught, boys. Doing the AD cam. Right. Get him next time. Now, for the sickest transition of your entire life now. There we 3, 2, 1, and we are.
What's up, guys?
Crazy.
Sujay,
Yeah.
your boss is watching.
Yeah, I'm sitting in AB's living room. W Sujay. And L and Q, man. What the hell?
Aaron buys, bro.
Aaron
W
buys.
Aaron vibes, man.
Okay, boys, it's time to go aggro now. I'm gonna spam
TJL1.
TJL once now. I thought some people used to get issues trying to take payouts if you're on the same IP addresses. I mean, when let's get to that problem, then we'll figure it out.
Can't even trade together anymore.
Hey, Sujay, turn off the Wi-Fi, bro. What the And bro, you know what? Fun fact, I have to request a payout tonight. Holy.
Jay, go back to the
Pitbull,
spirit of moves.
brother.
That's what he's trying to tell you.
Yo. Guys, we have a guest on the cam. Say hi to Lil Hero. Yeah, yeah, man, yeah. Hey, yo, Hero Junior. You see that TJL too? Yes. You need just that.
Mini hero.
What is in the chat for Hero Junior?
He's gonna be a great trader.
Yes. His first trade of his entire life, TJL2 buys. And he holds it till the time he turns 18. Multi-billionaire. I better. Crazy.
You're hilarious, man.
What did we do to deserve you? Oh my god.
The NQ win,
That's
bro.
good.
It was your NQ win.
It was our NQ win, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, true.
Because if you were not on that trade, yeah, I would be quaking. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Man, NQ. Last night you just blasted through my limits and now you ignore mine?
And you can be like that sometimes.
Oh, that TJL one would have been the entry I had last night. Pretty much.
Yeah, this should go up. This should continue. 1 hour, what's up? What's up with the 1 hour? Bro, on the 5, this is such a clean price action. Like, clean. Crazy clean. This is like absolutely clean.
Wow.
Can't get easier than that.
Yeah, it's
Right,
trending.
should we have
Damn.
some fun?
W Aaron buys though.
W Aaron buys though, bro. Brother probably flying high right now. Just like NQ. Mm.
What is gold doing? Okay. Just strange it. Yeah.
Please give me a retracement at 9:30. Okay, what's happening? Yeah, it's just TGL once, guys. TGL once. That's it. There's nothing much more than that. So, bro, are you done with the meeting?
You just said what
He's in
meeting?
my living room. I'm trying to communicate with him through YouTube chat. Guys, we have made it as streamers. Let's go.
Get the chat in your living room.
15-minute SBR sells on oil. Okay, let's go. Reporting straight from the Hormuz. 15 SBR.
From the hummus.
Is that a signal from the tanker, CJ?
I'm reporting live from the Strait of Hormuz. I mean, that don't look bad. What are the stops like on that? 100 pip stops. 106.45. Okay, it could play out. Mm,
Yeah, I'm at the point where whatever Sujay sees, I take.
exactly, bro. Exactly.
Yeah. 1 month free for anybody who moves to the Strait for us and reports live. You get a month free. That's crazy.
NQ, what you doing? Alright, I have orders on gold, NQ, and what else? Oil.
Oil.
Okay, so some people might look at our streams and be like, "What a straight up gambler," and I'll tell them, "Hell yeah, join the Discord." I'd be right back.
Where is the VWAP sitting there? Is it closer to SPR?
I don't have the VWAP. I never use it.
But I just use it just to not even as a like confirmation, just more like a confluence
Yeah.
on what I'm looking at.
Yeah, I mean,
But
I see
it,
that.
it doesn't. Yeah, like it doesn't. It doesn't like highly impact like my trading. I just kind of just want to see if things are playing out the
Yeah.
way that
Kind of like the fib, right?
it's. Yeah, exactly. Kind of like the same thing.
Get some extra outlook on the market where we at. I like to use the volume profile for that.
Yeah, same thing like that too. So the the VWAP is sitting at 107.4. So it's right above that SPR. So that does make sense. This hour just opened up no top wick. Yeah, I can see price coming down. Maybe even from me. Yeah. Let's see. I guess, yeah, I like to see which levels are being respected.
Hmm.
Yeah, but the sales do look like the play on
Oil.
oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Makes sense. I mean, we got NQ and gold moving up, so oil should be moving down.
Hmm. Yeah, and I'm trying to. I mean, it's because for NQ, I mean, we've been just trending upwards all morning since pre-London. So I'm trying to see what are we gonna do for 9:30? This Asian high session highs are up here, so we may want to sweep that. But with momentum and breaking all-time highs, I can see this just juicing up even more.
Yeah.
So this potentially can juice a little bit more. I mean, from the last time this broke highs, where was price at? Usually high base it like here.
We got 9:30 in 25 minutes. So maybe we can... Do you think we can sweep something to the downside before going up, or will we just...
No, and I mean maybe the only thing we can sweep is the like the pre and Y lows.
Mm-hmm.
They're not really as strong, I would say, and that would pretty much be like the current 4 hour lows, like sweep the lows and then go back up. It'd be ideal if it can sweep the London lows, and London is sitting where here. So no, I don't think we can do that. If anything, because if you look at price on the 15, it's kind of like overextended. But I mean, if you can make like a double top, sweep the highs and then close down below again and kind of make like a double top, the target will now be London lows to this green line.
Okay.
That so the sales would kind of make more sense, but again, you're fighting this bullish momentum. I mean, you had the previous 4 hour close bullish, this 4 hours pushing above, but I can definitely see this pushing. I mean, this 4 hour here has no top wick, so it can break the highs and then close down below. So then the sales do kind of make sense. From what I see here on the 15. But as far as like riding the wave up, the only way to do it, I would say, is more like TJLs, like
Mm-hmm.
AB saying with TJL ones.
Yeah, I see that too.
But as far as breaking the highs and seeing any moves, I can see if it broke about 300, may see it go. Maybe you hit 27.7. Let me put a line there just for a visual. So yeah, maybe we see it pump up to there and then possibly reject. And then if it can reject, I'd look for me personally on the 15, look for like a rejection candle, bearish candle, kind of pull back into this range, and then the sells from there would be where I'd be looking to get in.
Yeah, I like that. That's a nice plan. But like you said, and AB said too, the TJL1s look pretty nice today.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah, for sure.
9:30 just pumps up and then we pull back and get the TJL1 entry.
Yeah, let's see. I mean, we're still not there yet, but we're almost there.
Yeah.
YOLO, what's up, YOLO? The PlayStation TV. I'd be lying if I say I don't have a PlayStation, but Have I played that PlayStation? No, I have not. It's been maybe years since I played it.
What did you play it on?
Like what game or what do you mean?
Yeah.
I used to just play Call of Duty. Call of Duty was my go-to. Before I started, before I actually stopped playing, I actually was playing. I think it was a racing game. I forget the name.
Forza?
But
Oh, no, that's only for Xbox,
I
I
don't
think.
think so. I think it was a F1 game, I believe. Um, but my go-to was always Call of Duty.
Hmm.
But it's been years since I played, so I don't even know what Call of Duty it was.
I don't even have a console.
You used to play on PC though, no?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what he was saying. He's more of a PC. He's a PC gamer for life, he said.
I mean, if you can have a PC,
Right.
what you need a console for?
Yeah, true. Yeah, I used to play the Gran Turismo ones, Hero, back when I was a little kid. I always liked them, but I just never repurchased the game whenever I could.
Yo, AB, Nasdaq coming down.
I think I got the the Nintendo right after that one. Hero. Well, hold on, let me see if I'm right. Hold on.
Yeah, bro, it's not coming down enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hero. It was the one right after that one. It's the one that I got. My first one. It feels like it's been a long time.
Yeah, yeah, Orchid. I know where Orchid's VWAP is. I know where it is at. I see that.
Tell him, Monkey, tell him.
Yo, where's TND?
He's making his way to the Strait of Hormuz
That would make sense.
for the
Free month.
for the free month. Yeah. Well, that'd be insane. Imagine somebody actually sends us a message saying, "Hey, I'm here."
Yo, that would be so cool.
Okay, so what is this 15 doing? Not 30 minutes. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, I like that these candles here on the 30-minute have no bottom. Well, they have bottom wicks, but not steep. So that does say that price wants to go there and come back up from there.
Yeah,
Especially trading above the VWAP.
be whopping. YOLO, bro, how you doing? How's trading? Haven't talked to you in a while.
Yeah, yo, it's been a minute.
Man, creeping up on 9:30 now.
Yeah, we're close. What is Goldie saying?
Nice, YOLO. Get that work out of the way. And I'm doing good too. Also lots of work on the side, you know, but yeah, I mean, we're blessed.
Yeah, YOLO. Be like that sometimes. Hope you're doing good though. I feel like gold's been chopping since after London.
Egoli was chopped this whole week, kinda, until like yesterday. But yeah, Yeah, since London, it just really London close.
Yeah, it hasn't done it. It's just been sitting there. Go.
Just waiting on 9:30. Yeah, probably, Allison. The storm is coming.
I hope it's a good kind of storm, Madison. We about to find out.
I like that idea, Alex.
Is that the same one from that you had earlier, Alex? Or was that on NQ? I think it was on Q. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, but I like this. I like the idea, like, shit, very Goldie. Which will make sense. I mean, we're pretty much expecting for gold and Nasdaq to come down and then continue to move up.
How was the FOMC? Just watched it. Didn't take anything on it. I expected some bigger moves, honestly, but they came after market close.
Did that do anything to crypto,
Nah, just ranging.
I expected it to do some kind of reaction.
Yeah, me too. So yesterday we bled down when Trump announced there's no deal with Iran, and then after FOMC it kinda trickled its way back up. So yeah, since yesterday nothing really happened. Yeah.
Boy, somebody talk to the price action.
Man, it's waiting 6 minutes.
Yeah, 9:30. Now all of a sudden I don't fear 9:30 anymore, because if it is chilling there, if it wants to move up, and for that it wants some kind of liquidity, bro. Either it bleeds straight up, or this is it. This is it.
We will find out.
Yeah.
I hear they are going to turn on the money printers next month. Just what I've heard. Hmm.
How's everybody doing? Hey, yo, Poker. W, bro. Congratulations.
Oh
Very
yeah,
well done, bro. Very well done.
Parker. What a win.
Crazy. Now just get used to it. That is where the fun begins. Legrand, brother, how are you doing?
Oh, Legrand.
Legrand, bro, you've been busy off stream a lot, or what? Don't see you that often on the streams. I mean, I see you, but the duration has reduced a bit. So, have you been grinding outside of trading?
Yeah, I saw the new rules on Top Step for the 50Ks, right? There's only 2K payout max.
Yeah, it
Oh,
only changed for the payout cap.
so there's just no point in pushing for more than 4K balance now.
Yeah, on the 50K.
There isn't, and I mean it's kind of like it kind of reminds me of Lucid, right? So the only way that I think about that is, the more balance you get, the more of a drawdown you have, and then also if you get transition to live, that balance obviously becomes um, your live capital. So it's not a bad thing to try to, continue doing what we're still doing, but on a payout, just the payout, you know, like for just payouts, then yeah, it doesn't make sense to run it up like that.
Yeah, bro, I mean, like, I'm happy with my 5K a week. I'm happy with that. Yeah. I don't want more than that. Now, if it happens via 5 accounts with 1K payout, or if it happens via 2 account with, or 3 accounts now with 2 and 1K, it don't matter. What matters is, Will, at 9:30, and you come back down, give us a 0 pepper, risk free, and then full TP here, or not.
Let's go, hero.
Bro. So Google yesterday closed at 350. It's expected to open up around 374.
Hmm.
Damn.
Hey, sounds good, hero. Sounds good.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Even this is unnecessary. Let's try to go risk free at 100. Alright, come on, 9:30. Let's go. Let's go. It's been a minute.
Closing bearish.
Hmm.
Right, let's see now.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, let's see. All right, first L after a while, but let's be on a watch out for trades. All right, who lost their accounts on that? Anybody? Anyone?
I don't know.
Then it's okay.
Wow, it just doesn't want to stop. I'm getting flashbacks
Other
from
than that,
last night.
yeah, yeah. Okay, then the only next level is this 15 TGL2. I'll give it a shot again at this TGL2. And stops in this case are gonna be, if we get there, yeah, another like 500.
Pips.
No, not like risk.
Oh.
I'm just giving extra breathing room for this liquidity grab. You can wait on that TGL2. A 1 minute confirmation could be good as well. I'm just gonna go with limits because that is how I just enter trades these days. So yeah, let's see what happens. Mission failed. All right. If this one doesn't play out, then yeah, gonna take a bit of a breather maybe, and let's see. Let's see. That's it. Final attempt. Heavy bearish, but this is it. Final support.
Dang.
Thank you.
If this doesn't start rejecting, that is GG's, boys. We tried. Okay, so this low is 117. Good potential management point. If we get risk free here on this 1 minute open, then we can move stops here. That would be perfect. And if anybody who hasn't entered yet, if we get a 1 minute green candle, you can try this very small risk buy. But this needs to close green.
Crazy bleeder.
Yeah, crazy bleeder. Yeah. Today it just is going, I think, for the entire liquidity, or I don't know. Let's see. We gave 2 really good attempts, that's it. Now we wait for the market to print a bit more and then we reevaluate and then we see, okay, is there anything else that might be popping up? Alright, no worries. 2 losses. Now I'm gonna just wait for price to do its thing for a bit and then maybe reattempt something if that forms. Nothing as of now. Gonna let it just go. Gonna wait for some change of characters then maybe. So yeah, was the trade that turned out to be a loss. Let me just mark that down. All right. All right. Hey, yo, you know, still in. Trade.
Yeah, missed me slightly, but let's see.
All right. Goldie also trying to come down. These limit buys are still there. What's up with the oil?
Now it's gone. Right, I'm also out. Dang. Thank you.
Dang, what I'm doing.
Look at NQ. Just no stopping.
Yeah, it's just going down. So no wonder nothing played out. On a bleeder like this, what can you do?
Yeah, it's coming for the daily lows probably.
It's getting close to the London lows here.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see this. This is not what I saw. But if it sweeps the London lows, then now I can potentially start moving up.
Don't give me hope, Lewis. Okay, so let's just look at it. What's happening? I think the only thing I see is maybe I don't know. I can't figure this out right now.
A crazy move.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Still hasn't swept those London lows though.
I'm gonna have a buy limit on NQ at the break of that 1 hour low, or at the break of the previous 4 hour low. That's it. That's my final trade of the day. Yeah.
I like that 1
T91
hour. I see what you see.
I'll go for 5. Yeah. I'll go in with just a light 4 MNQ. Yeah, that's it. That's it. If that happens, gonna look to ride it to the top. For this, no bottom wick on the 15, 30, and 15 and the 30. If that happens. Logically, if it sweeps that, then let me layer it in to get a better entries. Yeah, that's it. That's it. 15. Okay, either if this was just a fake out to clean out all of them and we start closing above here, above 553.75 on the 15, need two candles to close above there. If that happens, then we buy from here. So either I buy it like that or I buy it like this. That's it. That's it. That's the plan for MNQ. Oil, I had a position sitting in. Still looks good because this 15 held this resistance. So yeah, gonna give this a shot as well. Gonna be like 100 pips something on this. I still have 3k balance left, so that gives me three really good 1k trades. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, I mean, it's just the next trade. Maybe I'll try to manage my drawdown a bit. Let's say if I see a tap at instant 600, maybe just close it. So that is what I'm gonna look for next. Let's see if this oil position gets triggered in right now. Goldie, this looks really good. Again, I think then I have three trades sitting right in front. So let's see. I have NQ buys, oil sales, gold buys. Again, can I take one trade off just to split the risk? I can. But kind of don't wanna. So let's see. Whatever trade gets activated first, yeah. Janusz, Lewis, what are your plans, boys?
Kind of chilling right now.
Yeah.
I got the same plans
Um,
for MNQ, like the 1 hour play. And then
Yeah.
goalie, yeah, I mean, it's still far away. But oil also looks really good. I like gold the least, and then MNQ and oil the most.
Yeah, seriously.
yeah, I think for me, where are your NQ buys? Maybe.
Bro, London lows. Sweep, reject, inside. So that is what
Yeah,
I've done.
I like that. I mean, I think the where is it here? Yeah, I mean the London lows are at 27,269.5.
269.
Yeah, that the one you're looking at is pre-London because the actual
Oh, yeah,
London
yeah.
can
Pre-London then.
starts there. Yeah, I do like that move though. I see your idea behind it because the only way for me to get back and sell, I mean to buys, is once we sweep that London low and then start going back up because then this 30 opened with no top wick, so that's perfect.
Yeah,
So there is potential to go all the way up.
exactly. And the thing is, this then happens to be an untapped or tapped TGL2 on the 1 hour. So that is one thing, and also that is again the daily trying to break its lows. So if it tries to break it and fails and it goes up, then it should ride up, which also kind of makes sense that let's say if this wants to sweep the London lows at 69 or wherever it is, so it sweeps that, and then maybe in that sweep grabs us, and then by the time, I mean, it covers even halfway, we are out with double the profits, something like that, yeah.
Hmm.
Or this would be just a red day. That's it. By the way, is market open tonight? We'll be there.
Is that a TND entry on the 1 minute on NQ?
Where's the NQ? NQ, NQ, NQ. Yeah, nah. I mean, that isn't any kind of level, right? Or is it?
Um, $5 minute.
Change account. Nah, it has already played out, bro. Once. But again, it can sustain. That's like the original 5 minute change of character level.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Also, boys, I think by at this early open, if we are still not activated by then I'll let this trade rock.
NQ 1 minute double bottom. Maybe.
Maybe. Bro, either the next hourly decides to do bad things to us, or
The thing is,
just
there's also the daily lows breaking, right?
yeah, yeah. That's why I have it at the best possible entry because, like, if I was in a buy and if I wanted like the best possible entry, this is where I would want to buy it. So thank you. Just a little sweep, sweep.
Alex, you're in on gold, no? I feel like we should have tapped you in.
Good luck, Alex.
Let's go, Alex. Let's go.
Come on, Goldie. Reject for Alex.
Thank you. Come on, let's go.
Oh, and Q swept the London lows. Yes.
I'll be right back.
Q, do something.
Mm. 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 There's none of those.
Let's see if this is just a higher low or not.
You're in on NQ with me?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Yeah, Tamer, I need one. I need one right now.
Same to me. Draw us up a couple rounds.
Roast. Roast, brother.
Gold coming down. Let me see.
Bro, all of my trades are gonna get activated and I'm gonna lose this again. Nah, it's so far away, bro. Alright, bro. Nah. Stop quaking, AB. On your own stream? What? Shit.
1 hour close above on NQ, so
On?
NQ
Let's go. Drop this in the chat.
maybe
NQ, come.
sweeps
Come.
us in.
I better be 10k up in profits by the end of the day, bro. Across all my trades. I took my share of loss today morning. I'm careful for the rest of the day. W. W, Tamer. Professional trader. Okay, also, this happens to be this bigger green zone that I have. This happens to be a 4 RTGL too as well.
Jay, are you in some ES buys?
Use the Sujay indicator. Boys, I'm kind of hopping off stream right now. If it gets activated, I'll be back. But I think I'm done on the stream. Gonna leave this running. Yeah.
We
Is
wanna
that all
call it.
right with y'all?
We wanna call it.
I mean, yeah, the job is done. We can take it to Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, Goldie, let me see. Close no bottom wick. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing right now. Let's
Yeah,
call it on
maybe
YouTube.
later. Yeah, call it.
Gonna come back tomorrow, attack again.
Yes, sir. And guys, everybody, market open tonight. See y'all there.
Sir. Alright, YouTube, thank you all for watching. And we're gonna be back tomorrow. Peace.
Peace.
Hey, YouTube.